Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to solve a problem known as 3 temples and a magical pond problem. So the problem is as follows. So as the name suggests, there are 3 temples and a garden and a magical pond. So the magical pond doubles the number of flowers whatever we pick from the garden. So the problem is we have to pick some flowers from the garden, we have to wash it in the pond which doubles the number of flowers, and then we have to offer it to the first temple. Then whatever flowers are left we have to again wash it in the pond, then we have to again offer it to the second temple, then whatever is left we have to again wash it in the pond, and then we have to offer it to the third temple. Now the problem statement seems very simple. We have to pick some flowers from the garden, we have to wash it in the pond, and we have to offer some to the temples, so that the number of flowers offered to each temple becomes the same. So we will look at the question. So the question is how many flowers we should pick from the garden, and the conditions are all the temples should be offered the same number of flowers and no flower should be left after the last temple. The second condition is the whatever flowers we are offering to the temples should be washed in the magical pond before offering, which doubles the number of flowers, and we should pick the least number of flowers from the garden. So these are the 3 conditions on which we will solve this question. So we will pause here for some time and let us try yourself to solve the problem. So we will pause here for some time before the solution. Okay, so let us try. So suppose we take x number of flowers from the garden, and so after washing in the pond it becomes 2x. So and suppose we offer y number of flowers to the first temple. So the number of flowers which we are left after offering becomes 2x minus y, and again we have to wash it in the pond. So after washing it becomes 4x minus 2y, and number of flowers we have to offer y again to the second temple. So the number of flowers which we are left after offering to the second temple becomes 4x minus y minus 2y, that is 4x minus 3y, and that again we have to wash it in the pond. So it becomes double of 4x minus 3y, that is 8x minus 6y. And what are the number of flowers we have to offer to the third temple? That is also equal to y, because number of flowers offerings are equal. So this 8x minus 6y should be equal to y, otherwise we will be left with some flowers. So as this is the last temple, it has to be equal to y. So this 8x minus 6y should be equal to y, and that gives us 8x equals to 7y. So we will solve this 8x equals to 7y. So after solving this 8x equals to 7y, what we get? We get that x must be a multiple of 7 and y must be a multiple of 8. As the question was, it should be the least number of flowers. So we will take x equals to 7, which is the first multiple of 7, and y as 8, which is the first multiple of 8. So the number of flowers picked should be 7 and number of the flowers offered should be 8. So let us see it is the correct solution or not. So the number of flowers we are picking from the garden is 7. So after washing in the pond, this becomes 14. So we are offering 8 number of flowers to the first temple. So after offering we are left with 14 minus 8, 6 flowers, and then again in the washing in the pond this 6 flowers becomes 12. So again we are offering 8 to the second temple, and after returning we are left with 12 minus 8, 4. And after washing it in the pond it becomes 8, and yes, this is the number of flowers we are going to offer to the last temple, and that is equal, as we know that all the number of flowers of offering to all the temples must be the same. And yes, this is the solution. Number of flowers picked is 7. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel In Search of Knowledge. Thank you again for watching. Thank you.